Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Recently I uploaded a video on YouTube about how to feature channels on YouTube and you guys gave much love to that video. I'm much thankful to you. That method was for PC users or laptop users. But in today's video I will show you how to feature channels on YouTube using your mobile phone. So without further delays, let's get into our video. First of all, you have to open any browser. I will open Chrome here, and from here just go to youtube.com. So here you can see that I am already logged into my YouTube account. After that, I will just tap on these three dots. So here you can see that my YouTube is open in a desktop version. After that, you have to search for the channel which you want to feature on your YouTube channel. And from here you just have to copy the channel's link. Here you can see the URL is copied, and after that I will just go to my channel section. So in the featured channel section you can see that I have added only one channel. Now I just want to add another channel here, so I will just tap on this customize channel. So after that I will just zoom in, and here you can see that there is only one featured channel on my YouTube channel. So if I want to add more channels, then I will just tap on this and click on this edit module. In the enter channel's username or URL, I will just paste the channel's link which I have copied earlier. Okay, and now I will click on this add. So this is the channel and I just want to feature this channel on my YouTube channel. So after that I will just click on this done, and here you can see that in the featured channel section I have added this channel to my YouTube channel. This is how you can feature any other channels on your YouTube channel using your mobile. So I hope you have liked today's video. For more YouTube videos, please subscribe to my channel.